Hello and welcome to today's creative journey. In this video, we'll dive into the wonderful world of handmade X-Mex trees, exploring not just how they are made but also the beauty behind their important structures, the elements that give them strength, charm, and meaning. When we think of X-Mex tree, our minds immediately picture a tall green decorated pine glowing with ornaments and fairy lights, but a handmade X-Mex tree are different. It carries not only the festive spirit but also your personal touch, your creativity, and your heart. Every branch, every breed, every ribbon tells a story. So let's begin by breaking down the important structure of a handmade X-Mex tree. The base of foundation. Every tree needs a strong base for handmade version. This could be a wooden stand, a recycled jar filled with stones, or even a crafted cardboard cone. The base is the anchor. It ensures stability so your tree can stand tall without wobbling. Without a strong base, even the most beautiful decoration can't shine. Just like in life, the foundation matters. Next come to the frame, often made of sticks, wires, or rolled up paper tubes. This is what gives the tree its shape. Think of it as the skeleton that supports everything else. Whether you choose a cone, whether you choose a cone shape, a spiral, or a layered designs, the frame is the hidden hero. People might not see it directly, but without it, the tree cannot exist. Now comes to the greenery, the heart of the X-Mex tree look. In handmade trees, greenery can be created using felt, crepe paper, fabric strips, jute, or even recycled plastic bottles cut into leafy patterns. Some crafters use yarn pom-poms, some use beads, and some wrap the frame with tinsels. The greenery is what makes your tree come alive, giving it that life charm. Perhaps the most joyful part of building a handmade X-Mex tree is decorating it. Ornament can be made of paper, clay, recycled caps, fabric flowers, tiny bells, or even handmade stars. Each ornament adds character, making your tree unique. Decorations are not just for beauty, they symbolize joy, hope, and the spirit to giving. A handmade star on top, a paper angel, or even a small family photo framed as an ornament adds deep meaning. Lights transform a tree, fairy lights, handmade lanterns, or even small candles, safely placed, of course, create a magical glow. They represent warmth, guidance, and the light of hope during X-Mex festival. In a handmade version, you could weave string lights around the frame, tuck them into the greenery, or even use DIY paper lamps. The topper is the crown of the tree. The topper is the crown of the tree, traditionally a star of an angel, but in handmade trees, this could be anything close to your heart: a paper star cut with love, a jute bow, or even a gemstone ornament. The topper stands as the finishing touch, symbolizing faith, direction, and celebration. The skirt of base decoration, often overlooked, the bottom of the tree, the skirt, is also part of the structure. Handmade skirts could be crocheted mats, recycled fabric circles, or paper cutouts. They hide the stands, add elegance, and complete the look. Some even use miniature gift box to decorate the base. Another important structure is not physical but visual. Balance matter. When you distribute ornaments evenly, when you alternate colors and shapes, your handmade tree feels harmonious. Balance is what makes the tree pleasing to the eyes. It's a gentle reminder that harmony in small details creates beauty as a whole. Every handmade X-Mex tree carries a personal structure. Your imagination, maybe you weave in a small family keepsakes, maybe you recycle bottles to create ornaments, or maybe you craft with children so their fingerprints are part of the art. This invisible structure, your story, is what makes the tree priceless. Lastly, we cannot forget the symbolic structure. The tree is not just decoration, it's a symbol of togetherness, renewal, and hope. A handmade version makes it even stronger because you have built it with your own hands, infused with love and creativity. As we wrap up, remember a handmade Xmas tree is more than a craft, it's a sculpture of joy. Its base speaks of